Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ruby Jones, and today I'll be telling you about my dad's clock company, Jones Clocks. This is the sleep alarm. It is very handy for your desk or your bedside table. If you're going out early and you don't want to be late for any occasion, this is the handiest thing you can get. You'll definitely not be late. If I unbox it to show you inside, this is a lovely red clock. It has two knobs at the back so you can turn the two hands. It has a second hand, and of course it's an alarm. You can buy these lovely red clocks or another colour online at Jones Clocks or in any good supermarket stores. That is all from me today. Thank you.